3, 2.
I'm Pastor Dorcus Lawrence. I'm from Washington, D.C. I serve as a assistant pastor at Evangelist Assembly of God, and I'm here in the wonderful city of Negril in Jamaica at the She Deserves Women's Retreat. And I must say it has been an exceptional experience personally and in terms of speaking to people and encouraging them in the Word of God. It has been a very emotional in that you come thinking that you're going to serve people, but in the evidence of what happens here, everyone gets served. And we learn to grow together, cry together, and move forward together. It has been an absolute blessing, and I thank Alicia Hurt that she has asked me to come and serve with her. But I want her to know that she is truly a blessing and that she has truly served me along with all the wonderful women that came. How was that?
The big button.